my name is Esha. Welcome to my channel and welcome back to a new video. So you guys have seen me talking about different planner brands, and it's the perfect time to purchase a new planner as it's the last quarter of 2022 and we are all excited for 2023, and of course there will be a lot of planner unboxing in this channel. But this video is going to be a different one, and I will say a special one because this is a highly requested video by my subscribers who are specifically students. And in today's video I'm going to share with you how you can create a DIY planner for yourself out of a notebook, so that if you are someone who don't want to invest in a planner this year, they can just buy a simple notebook and DIY their own kind of a planner. Just a disclaimer here, I am not the most creative person, but I have tried my best to create this DIY planner. So in today's video I'm going to share with you how I have created my self-care planner, but of course it can be applied to any kind of planner. So suppose if you want to create a student planner for yourself, or maybe a mental health planner, or maybe a cleaning planner, or maybe you can just create your 2023 yearly planner, or even if you are buying a 2022 planner, you can just create your own DIY planner specifically for a certain topic, like maybe self-care or fitness, or maybe content creation planner, or maybe it can be any kind of a planner. So if there is something that you always wanted in your planner but it's not available in the market, you can just DIY this and create your own kind of a planner. So without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. Okay, so before you start creating your DIY planner, here's the first step that you must follow. So first of all, decide what planner you want to create. For the purpose of this video, I have decided to create a self-care planner. So first I will go through Pinterest and I will type self-care planner, and I will go through all the inspiration I can collect, and then I will just make a rough sketch of all the planner templates I want in my DIY planner. So this is how I have created a rough idea of what I want in my planner. So this way it will be very convenient for you while you are designing your DIY planner. So once this research stage is complete, now we can go ahead and create this DIY planner. But before that, let's see what are the tools that we need in general to create a DIY planner. Okay, so of course you need a notebook or a journal to start with. So I will highly recommend you guys to buy a good quality journal so that it is durable and you can use this for a long period of time. At least your paper quality should be 100 GSM and above, so that you can use any kind of pens. Next we will need are some pens, then pencil and eraser, some coloring tools so that you can make it colorful, some highlighters, and Fevistick, sticky notes, some stickers to decorate your journal, and some craft papers if you have it at your home, and lastly of course washi tape. Okay, so your girl is all set to design her DIY self-care journal. So I'm starting with the first page where I'm writing this self-care journal belongs to, and then some space to write down my name. Next, I'm trying my best to create some modern art, hoping not to mess it up at the very beginning. And this is the best I have learned in my primary school, that is drawing some leaves. Next, to compensate my abstract art, I am sticking this motivating quote just to make this first page appealing and beautiful. And of course, washi tapes are a savior for people like me. And how can I forget my cute stickers? So here goes some cute flowers next to my modern leaves. Finally, authorizing everything by writing down my name, and ta-da! The first page is done. See, it's that simple. Moving on to the next page, I am writing down a motivating self-care quote that I really found relatable, just as my daily reminder. And then to decorate this page, I am using this craft paper that I already had, and it's from the store called Itsy Bitsy. I am cutting it roughly and pasting it on the paper just like some art journal spread. And again, washi tape is here to fill up the empty space. Okay, so your girl is back with her abstract art again, this time hearts. Now coloring them because I want it pink, why not? And again this page is ready in just 2 minutes. Moving on, I wanted to create a self-care affirmation page because I love affirmations in general. It works like magic when you go through the affirmations you believe in. So this page is dedicated for that. Okay, here's me drawing some lines without a scale and regretting it later. But it's okay, I don't want to be perfect here. It's a reminder for everyone out here who is watching this video. Now adding the numbers and a cute sticker. And here is my affirmation page ready to rock. Next, I am creating this goal setting page specially dedicated to self-care, which I am dividing into 6 categories, which are basically physical goals, emotional goals, spiritual goals, intellectual goals, social goals, and environmental goals. So these are not generally found in ready-made planners, and that's the beauty of a DIY planner where you can customize everything as per your requirement. So whatever is the field for which you need a planner, you can just customize it and set your own goals. So here goes my goal setting page for my self-care journal. Next, I'm creating a vision board page specifically dedicated to self-care. So here I'm going to paste few pictures that I can resonate with as my self-care ritual. I really believe in visual representation of anything. Vision board is something where I manifest all the things that I want to do in my life. So definitely this spread is a must have in any of my journal or my planner. In the next section, I am creating a section called Daily Routine. But before that, again some abstract art session. Okay, so here I am creating 2 sections to write down my morning and my nighttime routines. So I think that you definitely need to have a good morning and nighttime routine as a part of your self-care routine. I'm using sticky notes here to create a list of activities that I generally do in my morning and my nighttime routine. Sticky notes because I want to keep these routines flexible and switch things whenever needed. Next, I'm creating a monthly calendar spread where I can take 30 days self-care challenge. Okay, so your girl has finally decided to use her ruler and not rely on her abstract straight line. Also, I'm pasting some craft paper cutting to add some aesthetic to this spread. So, the purpose of this spread for me is to write down one self-care activity for each day, and that way I will have 30 different options in my self-care list to choose from whenever I will feel down. And last but not the least, I am going for a self-care tracker, and here I will create like mini trackers where I can track some self-care activities like my skincare routine or maybe my workout. So this tracker is totally dedicated to some self-care activities, and that way I will have everything here at one place to track everything in my self-care journal. So here goes my final DIY self-care journal. So in this way you can create your own journal with whatever topic you want to, and just don't aim for perfection, just go with the flow and you will love the whole process. This is very therapeutic. So that's all about today's video. I hope this video was helpful. Please like, share and subscribe to this channel if you want to see contents on planning, journaling and productivity in future. And yeah, you can also follow me on my Instagram handle. This is my Instagram handle, and stay tuned for all the upcoming videos. If you are a planner lover, I'm sure you will love it here. And yeah, I will see you super soon with a new video. Till then, keep smiling. Bye bye.